Hello everyone, welcome to my first tutorial on YouTube. And in this video I want to share with you hook modifier and how to use it. And I think it's one of the most awesome Blender modifier, especially if you like non-destructive workflow. So without any further ado, let's talk about hook modifier. According to Blender documentation, hook modifier is a way that you can use to deform the mesh and curve of your object using another object. How to assign a hook modifier to your object? You simply need to go to modifier and select hook modifier. Nothing happened because we have to create another object. You can use any object. In this case, I want to use empty because they are not visible to the to our viewport, and that is perfect for this situation. Go back to your modifier and select the object that you want to assign. It's very important because when we move the vertices we created that are assigned to a group will follow this empty object. And in order to do that, we have to go to edit mode and create a new vertex group. Go to data properties and select and create a group. Go back to your modifier and assign it to the vertex group of your modifier. If you move your empty object, you'll see that it also moved the vertex group you created. If you want to add another vertex group, you simply need to create another modifier and go to data properties and create a new group. Enable edit mode and select the vertex group that you want to assign to this group. Click assign and go back to your modifier. Let's close this for now and select the vertex group you created. We also need to create another empty object where we will assign the new hook modifier we created. Let's try a different object, maybe a cube. Remember, you could use any object. And let's select the cube we created. If we move the cube, you can see that it also follows this object we created. So I guess that's it. Hopefully you learned something from it. And if you have comment about my tutorial, I would really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and see you soon.